European initiatives for strengthening critical infrastructure resilience. European initiatives for strengthening critical infrastructure resilience are crucial in order to protect and secure vital assets within the continent. These initiatives focus on implementing European directives and shaping future directions for ensuring the continuity and resilience of critical infrastructure. In this tutorial, we will explore the key initiatives and strategies that have been developed by the European Union and its member states. European Programme for Critical Infrastructure Protection, EP-CIP. The European Programme for Critical Infrastructure Protection aims to enhance the resilience and security of critical infrastructure across the EU. It establishes a framework for cooperation and information exchange between member states' critical infrastructure operators and relevant stakeholders. The EP-CIP includes the identification of critical infrastructure risk assessment and the development and implementation of protection measures. 2. European Critical Infrastructure Exercise Program, ECIEP. The ECIEP is a series of exercises conducted across Europe to test and validate the effectiveness of critical infrastructure protection measures. These exercises involve various scenarios and stakeholders to simulate real-life situations and assess operational readiness response capabilities and interagency cooperation. The ECIEP plays a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities, improving emergency response procedures, and fostering a culture of resilience. European Programme for the Prevention, Preparedness, and Response to Terrorist Attacks and Disasters, PACTE. PACTE focuses on enhancing the preparedness and response capabilities of member states to terrorist attacks and disasters. It aims to strengthen the prevention, detection, and mitigation of threats to critical infrastructure. PACTE coordinates the exchange of best practices, knowledge sharing, and the development of guidelines for risk management, crisis communication, and post-incident recovery. European Network for Cybersecurity, ENCS. The ENC is an initiative that promotes collaboration and cooperation among European Union member states. Its primary focus is on protecting critical infrastructure from cyber threats. ENCS facilitates information sharing, capacity building, and the development of guidelines and standards for cyber risk management, incident response, and the resilience of the European digital infrastructure. Resilience of critical infrastructure against hybrid threats, REACH. REACH is a strategic framework developed by the European Union to address the increasing challenges posed by hybrid threats to critical infrastructure. It aims to enhance the overall resilience and responsiveness of critical infrastructure operators by identifying vulnerabilities, sharing intelligence, conducting risk assessments, and implementing protective measures. REACH also emphasizes the importance of public-private cooperation in mitigating hybrid threats. European Programme for the Establishment of an Integrated Approach to Protection of Soft Targets, IPST. IPST aims to protect soft targets such as public spaces, crowded events, and tourism sites from terrorist attacks. The program promotes an integrated approach to security by involving various stakeholders, including law enforcement agencies, local authorities, and private sector operators. IPST facilitates the exchange of best practices, risk assessments, and the development of security measures to enhance the resilience of soft targets. European Forum for Urban Security, EFUS. EFUS is a network of European cities and regions that work together to address urban security challenges, including the protection of critical infrastructure through knowledge sharing, capacity building, and policy development. EFUS supports the implementation of security strategies and the exchange of innovative solutions for urban resilience. The forum also advocates for the involvement of local communities and civil society in the protection of critical infrastructure. In conclusion, the European Union has taken various initiatives to strengthen the resilience of critical infrastructure. These initiatives encompass areas such as enhancing cooperation, conducting exercises addressing cyber threats, tackling hybrid threats, protecting soft targets, and promoting urban security. Based on the implementation of European directives and the exploration of future directions, the EU and its member states continue to strive for an improved and resilient critical infrastructure landscape. Abbreviations: EU-CIP, European Programme for Critical Infrastructure Protection, aims to enhance the protection of critical infrastructure in the EU to ensure the security and well-being of its citizens and the effective functioning of the internal market. EU-CIP, European Critical Infrastructure Exercise Program, focuses on conducting exercises and simulations to test the resilience and response capabilities of European critical infrastructures against potential threats. PACTA, European Programme for the Prevention, Preparedness and Response to Terrorist Attacks and Disasters, a comprehensive approach to enhance the EU's capabilities in preventing, preparing for, and responding to terrorist attacks and natural or man-made disasters. INC's European Network for Cybersecurity, dedicated to strengthening the cyber resilience of critical infrastructure within Europe through collaboration, information sharing and expertise development. 5. REACH, Resilience of Critical Infrastructure Against Hybrid Threats, aims to develop strategies and solutions to enhance the resilience of critical infrastructure against a wide range of hybrid threats, including cyber attacks, misinformation, and other non-traditional tactics. 6. IPST, European Programme for the Establishment of an Integrated Approach to Protection of Soft Targets, focuses on protecting vulnerable soft targets such as public spaces and cultural sites from security threats through an integrated and cooperative approach. 7. EFUS, European Forum for Urban Security, a network of European cities and local authorities dedicated to fostering urban security, crime prevention, and ensuring the safety of public spaces in urban environments.